Yes, Etsy family, I hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm going to give you some fantastic SEO tips for the new gift mode algorithm, if you like, style, so it can get your listings seen, get it all ranked up real quick. And these are some amazing tips that you need to implement right now to get your listings up there. But as usual, if you love creating, designing, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more videos in your feed. And don't forget to share, guys, because you know what? It's always nice to share. Anyways, let's get into this madness. So look, listen, Etsy are obviously pushing gift mode. Gift mode is going to be the feature for the future, and you need to get onto this. You need to get your listings ready for this. So what's happening is, obviously, time of doing this video, this gift mode was kind of came out, right? And I did breaking news on it. I spoke about it. But how do you get your listings seen the way Etsy are pushing these right now? Because obviously they're pushing these listings in a slightly different way now. There's a slightly different, if you like, emphasis for the algorithm. So what do you need to do? Well, I'm going to show you what you need to do. So what will probably happen is you got this kind of home screen, right? And so when customers want to shop, they are looking now, because Etsy are focused more on the gift market, even more so, they are going to be kind of pushing the listings that have that gift element to it, right? So how do you get your listings to kind of show this? Now, this is what you do. Let's imagine you're a customer. So you go to shop now, right? Click shop now, because that's what's going to happen now. And you're going to buy something for, I don't know, your mom. Mama, I'm going to buy something for mama. What am I going to buy for mama? So it gives you ideas. What's great is right now, you know, you want to get into where the ideas are at. So look, these are some great ideas here. So let's say, I don't know, let's say you kind of look at something, think, okay, I want to get something. It's a dog lover. Mom's a dog lover, right? And then what it does is it kind of instantly gives you some ideas. Now look, it's already telling you what you should be including, what you should be doing. As soon as I click dog lover, personalized dog portraits appeared as gifts, right? Personalized dog portraits appeared. So what you have to do is, these are tips, these are hints. You got to be an investigator. You got to know that these are clues. So the personalization is something obviously that you need to be working on. You need to be doing personalization. So having the personalized element in your listing, creating a personalized listing, having the word personalized in your listing is going to obviously help you. So let's go ahead and let's just click at one of these, right? Because they promoted these. Obviously, these are going to get a lot of traffic, because imagine that, you know, millions of customers are on here, and what they do is Etsy are pushing, let's say, these particular ones that they're showing right now. So let me go on to now what's interesting as well about these is that when you click on it, so let me just click on one of these, right? Let me just click on the Marley one, man. Marley the dog, right? So look, what's interesting about this is it's a bestseller, boom, right? So if I go to back to the other one, let's go to this one, Ranger, bestseller, boom, right? It's another bestseller, boom. Let me go to another one. Let me go to this one, right? Look at it, look at it, look at here's another one, okay? Here's another one. Go to this one. This is Etsy's pick, right? Cool. So what is it telling you? Another hint, another tip is that bestsellers or Etsy's picks may be getting more priority, right? So you want to try and get yours to be a bestseller. You want to try and get that pushed, because what you want to do is you want to get onto where Etsy's choosing you, right? There's even more. So I could show more, and obviously they're going to produce more once you're sort of interested in this sort of area, because what they do is they give you options. So once I've got into the kind of the dog lover, you got personalized. So that's a keyword that you need to really be focused on. You got the custom dog portrait ornaments. That's another one. And then you got obviously dog bags and pouches, right? You got even dog bookmarks. So everything dog related, literally. But the other tip is try and get yours to be a bestseller. Try to work on personalization. Try to work on custom. And also look at the kind of, it's also telling you, if you're in the pet niche, it's also telling you some of the big ones that people may be looking for in terms of gifts. So dog portraits, right? Dog baseball hats, right? Dog portrait ornaments, right? It's actually telling you. So what you do is, this is informed, this is gold for you. So if you're in the pet niche, then for me personally, then I'll start looking at creating maybe a custom dog portrait ornament. That'll be something that if I haven't got it already, that's something that I will do. And then I would look at some of these bestsellers and just to analyze and see what they're doing. If I haven't got a personalized dog portrait, I'm in the pet niche, then that's what I would do also. I'll do a personalized dog portrait, because I know that this is something that Etsy's also pushing, the personalized element, the custom element, right? And I will be looking at some of these fantastic bestsellers and see exactly what they're doing and how they're doing it. And look at the words that they're using, because look, the words that they're using is key, right? They are using very important particular keywords. So you got custom in the title, which is important. You got personalized in the title also, which is very important. And you got gift as well in the title. And these are exactly the kind of things that Etsy is pushing. So think about your listings, right? Make sure that you're creating listings that have that personalization element, that have that custom element. Go over to your actual particular niche. So you could actually literally find out exactly what it is that you need to do, right? So you could actually go, and obviously depending on what your niche is, I've gone to dog lover, but you don't have to. You could go way back to gift mode again and start again and think about what you sell. So what do you sell and where could it fit? So let's say, like I said, you're doing a gift for mom. You know, you might want to create something. It's already given you, right? It's already given you different themes and topics that you can get into, right? It's already helping you. So think about what your niche is, right? You might want to look at the cat lover, right? Let's go to cat lover. Then go down again. They got cat portraits, personalized portraits again. You got cat clothing, cat beds, right? Cat themed enamel pins. So you go into the gift mode and look at exactly what it is that you do. But once you go into it, what you're going to find is there's a few themes that work, right? And that work together. Like I said, it's words like custom. Again, I don't even have to see this before. Custom. Things like personalization. Things like gift. Okay. These are the keywords that you need to start including in your listings so that you can get the Etsy algorithm to favor you. Now, obviously, you have to be creating something that is around the custom personalization also. You can't just add the words in the title and say, that's it. This is what you need to do. Now, on top of that, add the words in different areas. Don't forget. Now, your product description is absolutely important, right? People underrate this. People underestimate it. But also have those keywords within your product description, right? Because again, it's all about emphasizing with the algorithm, emphasis, right? You emphasize in different ways through the title, through the product description, and then through the tags, right? So if I go to tags, I'm bound to see these keywords appearing. So let me just go to tags, right? Here we go. As I said, right? You got the custom words that are appearing there. There you go. Custom pet portrait, custom cat, custom painting. And then you got gift that also appears. Cat lover gift and cat memorial gift. And this is how the Etsy algorithm starts to see where to put the listing. And then obviously what you want to do ideally is you want to get these listings seen and showcased on the actual home page. So this is a bestseller, boom. So it's got a really good chance of getting seen amongst the other ones that they're showcasing. So this is where they showcase some of the ones that they're pushing the customers to buy, basically. And this is where you want to be. You want to get to there. This is where you'll get those extra amazing sales. Okay. So my advice is this. In terms of for your SEO, to improve your SEO, make sure that you're including those custom, those personalization words, those gift words. They need to be there in your title, your Etsy tags, into your product description. But obviously, think about what it is that you're selling. Try to go to gift mode and go down the actual steps and see what other sellers are doing, right? See what they're selling in your niche and see in particular the ones that actually are appearing that Etsy is pushing onto this kind of homepage, if you like. This kind of page where they're actually showcasing and promoting it to the customers, because this is where you want to be so that you can get those extra sales. So the other thing I would definitely also suggest is what Etsy is also starting to do is you can see right now, obviously at the top you got gift mode, but you've also got Mother's Day gift shop, right? Mother's Day gift shop. Now this is the other thing. When something is coming up for a time of year, like Mother's Day, like Christmas, like Easter, like Halloween, then also remember, start thinking about adding those keywords, the Mother's Day keyword, as part of your listing too. Because as that comes up, again, Etsy is promoting those items, those listings for that time of year. So look, if we look at the Mother's Day gift shop right now, when I clicked on it, I could click on wall decor, right? Wall decor as a gift, okay? And obviously you can see when you go to this, again, this is where Etsy is promoting the wall decor and for Mother's Day, if you like, okay? So, you know, you could obviously click on one of these, let's say, okay? And the reason why this one in particular obviously is promoted, this kind of custom, personalized, right? They are getting priority. But the reason why this one is falling under the Mother's Day, if you like, tab, because obviously they have Mother's Day gift as part of their keyword on the title, right? They have it there. And so it's promoting it. It's got a good chance of being promoted. Again, let me go to the analysis using EVERBEE, my go-to SEO. Check out the link in my description. Let me just go to the tags. So obviously, even in the listing tags, they have Mother's Day gift, right? It's there. And this is what I'm trying to say. This is where it's promoting it. It's promoting it because it's something that obviously it's they have these keywords. And again, in the product description, I'm sure you got Mother's Day. Yeah. So this is the area you want to also try to get into, is when a particular time of year comes up, they're going to have a tab like this, like for Mother's Day. Like I said, they'll have it for Halloween, they'll have it for Christmas, they'll have it for Easter. You want to also try to get into this. And the way to do this is to maximize your chances on getting into those kind of areas where Etsy is going to push you by showcasing you, is to make sure that you have the words, these keywords: custom, personalized, Mother's Day, in this case, right? Obviously, depending on the time of year, put the word for that. And then also gift, right? That is how you get onto those having a great chance, not necessarily guaranteed, but having a great chance of getting seen, getting pushed by the algorithm, and getting those amazing sales. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.